Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Come on. Today, it's a little bit late. I was supposed to record this earlier. Sorry, my voice looks so jacked up. I kind of just went to sleep with it. But anyway, today we're going to be painting some jeans. I'm going to show you guys how. It's not jeans. Today we're going to be painting a jacket. I'm going to show you guys how I do my clients' jackets, and yeah, I feel like this will be pretty interesting to watch. Sorry, my nose ring feels a little loose or something. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I have a confession to make. Yesterday I kind of fell asleep last night when I filmed the intro. Excuse my braids, I didn't get ready or anything, but right now we're about to really set up and paint this jacket. I'm painting a jacket for my co-worker for the job I used to work at. I don't work there anymore, but yeah, I'm doing a custom jacket. I do custom jackets and jeans, so go ahead and DM me on my Instagram if you want to get some, and let's get started.
Hi, it's Editing Janae here, and I just want to tell you guys what I use to paint. I use acrylic paint mixed with a medium. It's a textile medium, so textile is basically fabric if you don't know. So basically you mix the acrylic with the medium. You do ratio it's like if you have 2 of the acrylic, then you have 1 of the medium, if that makes sense. I don't really know how to say it, but yeah, so I just thought you guys might want to know. I do want to invest in some fabric paint. I just haven't got there yet. But yeah, acrylic paint works. It's a great alternative if you can't afford fabric paint yet. So there you go.
Okay, so I know I have some explaining to do. So I did start the jacket, and by the time I started working on it again, it was dark, so I couldn't really record because I just didn't have good lighting. But I ended up, where I stopped recording is when I had to go somewhere. So I had to pause recording and go work that out, and then I came home and I fell asleep. So yeah, so now it's dark outside, and I had worked in the jacket and it was dark. And so sorry if you can hear the fan, but it's hot and I'm not turning it off. So basically what I'm saying is, when I finished the jacket, I couldn't record it. I'm gonna insert a picture. So basically she wanted the idea of kind of like the babe style jacket, so I kind of tried to implement that but make it more of my own style, because she said I had creative freedom. So, you know, I took it and ran with it. And basically when I had made the jacket, I started off with the plain jacket. She gave it to me. I just let it sit for a couple of days, and then when I started it, I just outlined a couple of shapes in just random colors that were just random colors, like random colors of the rainbow. And I had to do the outline in black, and I added some white little highlights. And basically I did one sleeve and half of the hood. In total, the jacket took about, I want to say it took like 5 hours, but I had to make it quick because I need to get this jacket to her before I leave for college. So this is actually part 1 of the video, and I didn't really end up showing as much as I wanted to, but I am going to show you the finished product. So yeah, there we go. Moral of the story is, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in a minute. Bye.